What's up, guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading, and hoo boy, what a day for a comeback, right? Let's get right into the charts, ladies and gentlemen. I've got the S&P 500 queued up for you, but I also have the NAS. All you NASDAQ lovers, come back to the NAS in just a few seconds. As you guys know, this week was a vicious, and I mean vicious, sell-off. I think we had 4 days in a row of back-to-back selling, and not just mild selling. I'm talking like down thousands of ticks type of selling. So I kind of feel that a lot of traders were playing today. You know, it's Friday, it's the end of the week. People are looking to cash out their shorts. I almost feel that if you were trying to be smarter than the market today and picking the direction, right? I think that's what a lot of people were doing today. But as you know, we don't do that, right? We just want to follow the trend in whatever direction the trend happens to go. It's not our job to guess at what's going to happen in the market, right? We need to use professional technical analysis trading tools, and that's what you see before you right here on the S&P 500 as well as on the NAS, all right? So guys, this green and red color band, I hope you know by now, this is our proprietary volume profile indicator. This thing does a world-class job at helping you identify the potential starting point of a trend. Remember, folks, in my opinion, there's nothing more important than trying to identify this area right here, which is a trend change, right? Now, you don't know for sure in advance if it's going to rip like it did today, right? You have no idea. All you can do is be alerted or be on the lookout when a trend change happens. So what's a trend change look like? Well, it's pretty simple, folks, okay? When the color shifts from one color into another color, right, as it did right here in this moment in time, folks, this is the trend change. That's it. This is the moment in time that you have to start now paying attention to your market of choice, whatever it happens to be, whether it's the NASDAQ, whether it's the S&P, whether it's oil, gold, Forex, whatever it is. This is your moment. Okay? This is what it looks like when you have a professional chart display and you have professional, high-end, premium, world-class tools at your disposal that are also very simple, right? How much more simplistic do you expect an indicator to be other than green and red, right? Now look, I'm certain there's a lot of you guys out there that tried to fire up your candlestick charts, your Bollinger Band garbage, your stochastics and momentum, and all sorts of free garbage indicators. There's a reason they're free. You get what you pay for when it's free, right? Because I honestly don't know how on earth you're able to spot a trend change on this nonsense, right? Whereas when you have a volume-based approach, and look, folks, volume is just my theory. You know, you can feel free to agree or disagree, but this is my theory. The people that cause these huge moves, these very large, long, extended, trend-based moves in the market are the big guys, right? The hedge funds, the Wall Street banks, the algo traders, the algo programmers. There's billions of capital flowing into the market at this exact moment in time. It ain't me and you that causes these moves, right? But what we can do and what we must do each and every day is try to follow the big guys, right? We want to follow this exact moment in time, and we want to start now looking for opportunities, as you can see right here, when the volume color band shifts and turns a certain color, as it did in this case from today, green. Makes sense, folks? Or as it did over here and turned red for another, what is this? Jesus, 50 points. So look, folks, at the end of the day, this was absolutely a historic trading week. You guys that were actively trading this week, you know that this was one for the record books. I truly feel sad, man. I mean, I really do feel sad for anybody that was either sitting on the sidelines or screwing around with this Japanese candlestick garbage nonsense, right? I just feel sorry for those type of people. I really do. And I'm sincere when I say that. Okay? Because this week was a day trader's dream. The volatility spiked. The volatility is where there was massive, massive movement in the market. And folks, we're only 2 weeks into the month. You understand that? I know it feels like it's been a full month. The amount of action we've had is enough to keep us occupied and entertained for months. But it's only been 2 weeks. We have another 2 weeks left in this month, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that. And I can only hope and dream that the next 2 weeks are going to look exactly like this. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.